Hiya YouTubers, this is Superman G coming back at you one more again. And in this video, I'm going to talk about screen recorders. Now, screen recorders will allow you to do exactly as they're titled, and it will enable you to record what is on your computer screen. Now, to some people, this may come in handy really well, as it's helped me in the functioning of my videos. It also gives people a more in-depth look as to how or what it is that they're supposed to do and execute various tutorial programs to be able to solve a problem or execute a program or solve an issue that they may have been having with their computer. Otherwise, it's a help tool. There are a lot of screen recorder programs out there. However, there are two that I'm going to show you today to kind of cut down on the various amounts of screen recorders that are out there and are available. Now, some are free, and then there are some that you have to pay for, whether it be monthly or annually. And with that being said, I'm going to now bring up one of the two screen recorders. The first one that's going to come up is CYBERLINK's Screen Recorder 4. Now, I had Screen Recorder 2, and it actually came with Power Director 17, that version that I had. And I was able to use it, and it worked really well, and that's where I started recording my screen using that program. And now they came out with Screen Recorder 4. Now, brand new here is $34.99 because they have a sale going on, which is 30% off, and it ends on the 3rd of May. So if you already have a version of Screen Recorder, like say Screen Recorder 2, then if you click upgrade, it's $23.99. And as long as you have it on your computer, you can get it at this price. Now, they also have to where you can actually download it for free for a trial. And I think that if this is something that you're interested in, to give it a shot. Now, most of the screen recorders do give you the ability to download and use them in a trial version. So this particular one by CYBERLINK does give you that option. And as you can see, it says it's for gamers and streamers, YouTubers and vloggers, work in business. I've been using it for a year now and not had any problems with it. And the microphone I use, I connect it to my computer, and all I do is turn it on and it works fine. It also gives you availability to live stream to Twitch, YouTube, and Facebook. It gives you a wide array of customization features. You can custom streamer servers. You can multi-stream to Twitch, YouTube, Facebook, and custom servers. So there are a lot of online servers that you can stream to. It has a lot of features and a lot of options. But if you have a webcam on your computer, you can actually change the background of what it's seeing. So like if you're in your room and you want to make it look like you're sitting on a beach, you can actually change the background of your video, which I think is a very cool effect. I haven't had a chance to try that yet because I do not have a webcam for my desktop. You can also record and edit your video. As you can see in this particular shot right here, there's the gentleman sitting here where it looks like he's in a room, and then he changed the background to where it looks like he's outside or floating in the sky or whatever it is that he's doing. And so it has chroma key option, has overlay objects to recordings, customizable hotkeys, where you can have it start and stop using whatever key you want it to have. You can record from your PC or whichever device you have connected. Editing tools are very simplistic. Some of these actually fall within Power Director, where you can import and trim your footage. You can add titles and transition, and now you can add 2 unique audio tracks, so you can have 2 audio tracks going at the same time. Real-time webcam and mic preview. So to me it works pretty well. It's something that I think you should be able to check out and see if it's for you. The next screen recorder that I'm going to show you is Camtasia. Camtasia is another popular one. It's probably more popular than CYBERLINK, and there are a lot of YouTubers that use it due to the fact that it's a little more flexible. It has a lot more features built into it, but it's also a very well put together screen recorder. But it does a lot more. It's good for tutorials, demos, training videos, and more. It has it to where if you're recording your screen and there is something that you want to have it zoom in on, depending on what it is that you're doing, you can set up to where it will automatically zoom in on that area, and then once you're done, if you want to go back to the full picture, it will do that automatically. CYBERLINK screen recorder does not do that. It does not have that capability. Camtasia has a very powerful screen recorder, and if this is something that you're looking for, with more features and more options for you to choose from, then I would suggest that you try this. But if you're willing, try both of them and see which one that you like best. Some may like Camtasia, some may like Screen Recorder 4. It depends on your personal preference and what you're gonna do. And this also, Camtasia also has a free trial. I think it's for 14 or 15 days, whichever it is. And now you're not going to have all the features. You're going to be limited, as well as on Screen Recorder 4 you're going to be limited to what features you can do in the program with the trial version. But if you purchase it, the full version, you get all the available features. Now the other difference between Screen Recorder and Camtasia is pricing. Screen Recorder 4 is, if you're talking about brand new, it's $34.99. Now Camtasia, considering that's a more powerful program, the price of it is probably a lot more than what people are willing to pay for it. So it's like $249, and that includes a one-time fee, but you can install it on 2 machines, and it's Mac and Windows compatible. Now it also has a maintenance recommendation, which includes upgrades to the newest version released annually and priority support for 1 year, which is $49.75. So it's expensive to start with, but every year is $49.75, which is not too bad considering that this is a more powerful screen recorder. But once again, it depends on your personal preference of what it is that you want. Now you have Camtasia plus the maintenance, which is $298, so it goes up. So you can do the maintenance, which includes the $49.75 here, and then you have just a single license to without the upgrade for $249. So it depends on what you want. If you figure you're going to be using it every year, you're going to want it to upgrade, then you can do the $298.75. But if you're just going to be using it for the one time without all the upgrades, then you could do the $249. That pretty much completes what I want to explain about screen recorders. I will leave a link to each of these in the description below. So I hope this helps you guys out. You all take care, be safe, and peace out.